شور دا بلبلو دے جوڑنن بہار دے پاتولا باؤمو پنج پیر بیا سنگار دے.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. As you know, the correct and strong belief and following the way of Sunnah is most valuable wealth for Muslim. Every Muslim has responsibility according learning and following the teaching of Quran and Sunnah, the last prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My brothers, the party اشاعت التوحید و Sunnah is committed without any political destination to broadcast Tawheed wa Sunnah since 1957. So every year, for the same purpose, اشاعت التوحید wa Sunnah hold up a great gathering for the 4 days in Panjpir, صوابی, the district of KPK, Pakistan. So this year, the great convention will be held in the same place on 27, 28, 29 and 30 October, inshallah. So me and my party invite you and your friend to attend this great event that Tawheed wa Sunnah Quranic message be common in the entire world. I hope you will accept my invitation, so please share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you so much for the listening me.